Understanding plant pots, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase you might come across, plant pots. We'll explore what it means, its uses, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and grow our English skills together. Plant pots are containers in which you can grow plants. They come in various sizes, shapes, and materials. The term can refer to the actual container or the act of placing a plant into a container. This phrase is quite literal. It's all about the relationship between plants and their pots. There are many types of plant pots, each serving different purposes. You have terracotta pots, plastic pots, and decorative pots, among others. Some are designed for indoor use, while others are better suited for outdoors. The material can affect the plant's health, so choosing the right pot is important for any gardener. For gardening enthusiasts, plant pots are essential. They allow for better control of the soil and water drainage, which is crucial for plant health. Pots also enable gardeners to bring outdoor plants inside or grow plants in spaces without traditional gardens. Aside from gardening, plant pots can be used metaphorically. For instance, someone might say, "I've got too many plant pots on my balcony," meaning they have many small projects or tasks that are as demanding as taking care of many potted plants. I hope this exploration of plant pots has been enlightening. Whether you're a green-thumbed gardener or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this phrase is a useful addition to your linguistic garden. Keep nurturing your language skills, and you'll find yourself flourishing in English conversations.